guys, welcome back to another video. So we've got Samsung today, and we've got some washing. So we're gonna basically just put a wash on. What do you want to use?
I have no idea today.
Powder or liquid?
Powder.
Okay. Can I just pull the box down?
Yeah. One big scoop.
Yes.
And
That one.
this
left.
one. This one. That's
Yeah.
not left, that's mine.
No, that's left.
No, that is left.
Okay, which softener? Again to use this one.
Ew, that smells lovely.
Do you not have another one?
No.
You're gonna have to deal with this then.
That'll make it smell nice.
Yeah, that's soap. It'll be soapy.
Yeah, but I want to put it in as well.
Yeah, put that in the main wash one then.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Oh, I need to give it a clean soon. Oh, fuck these shit, bruv. Okay, it's there.
Wait, let me smell it. I'll give you that. Okay, actually, it's not that bad.
Yeah, put the liquid in if you want. That one.
I wish he's loads of them.
Put it in the left one.
This one. The middle one.
Yeah. No, not the middle.
What? This one?
Yeah.
I never put it in there.
Yeah, because
No.
it's for soup.
No, you gotta use loads, yeah? Like this, yeah.
Okay, go on. Oh
Like
my
this,
god.
yeah.
Laundry overload, Molly. We gotta add extrants.
Why is my hair wet?
Do you have any beads?
Was it good? Nope. Got no beads.
No beads. No beads. No beads today. Did you check your pockets and stuff?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Oh. I got. So it's not too full, so we just got like a little load. Turn it on. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will reduce.
Make a beep.
No, it won't beep.
Okay.
It won't sing the song. 40. That will reduce, don't worry. Start. There's a small load. We've put it on when he's been here before.
Yeah.
It's the dryer. It was a dryer you can put on. Yeah, this will reduce because it's a small load. So you can see it. I should do it now, I think. Yeah, look.
Like a spaceship.
It does.
Pretty.
Sensing. Yeah, that spins around, so it's weighing it. How much in there? See that it dropped? So good. So take your ball into Perfect. Now do the soup. Thanks for watching. changed it to Cotton's rinse only, so it uses high water level. I think it needs recalibrating.